How to get Xray texture pack in Minecraft. So first things first, all I have to do is just to have your Minecraft client on standby because we'll have to download the textures pack first. So open up any reliable web browser or your preferred web browser that you can use, and then just simply type in Minecraft Xray texture pack. And here, feel free to choose any sources or website where you would like to download the texture pack, as long as you're downloading it on the same version as what you're using on your Minecraft client. Now, once you have successfully downloaded it, all you have to do next is just by simply adding it to your file manager. Now open up your client for Minecraft and then just simply click this file manager icon right here, and then just head over to resource packs and then just simply transfer all the files that you've downloaded as a texture pack on Minecraft site, and then you can go ahead and launch the game. So that is how you get or download the Xray texture pack in Minecraft.